Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and this time of year always brings a very special green treat that unfortunately is not vegan. But no worries, I got you covered with a vegan version of the Shamrock shake. So let's dive in. Grab our trusty blender and add in 1 pint of vegan vanilla ice cream and some almond milk. Now that we got the ice cream part of this out of the way, add in some maple syrup as an extra sweetener and some mint extract for our, well, mint. Toss in about 7 drops of green food coloring to give us that classic color and give it a blend. This is already getting me in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, so let's plate this dish. My family and I used to go to the drive-thru all the time to pick up these. Oh. This drink is creamy, minty, and delicious. Plus it has that beautiful green color for St. Patrick's Day. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite treats in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Okay. This drink is creamy, delicious, and minty, but